Good morning, dear student. Today I will teach you the mode of reproduction used by single organism. That means types of reproduction. All the reproductive method of living organisms broadly categorized into two types. First, asexual reproduction and second, sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the new individuals are produced by means of other than fusion of sex gamete. The sexual reproductions, on the other hand, involves the fusion of two sexes, one arising from male sex and other is females. First of all, we discussed asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves the participation of single individual parents occurs without the formation of sex organ or gamete. Asexual reproductions may be defined as the offspring of a single parent without meiosis, formation of gamete, and fertilization and transfer of genetic material between individuals. Overall process, that is the common means of rapid increasing of offspring under favorable condition, occurs in result repeated mitotic division in certain body cell. Asexual reproduction mostly occurs in unicellular organisms like bacteria, protozoans, on some plant like algae, fungi, and bryophytes, and certain multicellular animals like sponge and hydra. In some method of reproduction, the young ones receive all the genes from one parent. Asexual reproductions occurs in following way: first fission, second fragmentation, and third regeneration, and fourth budding, and fifth is spore formation. Sixth, vegetative propagation in plant, and seventh, propagation by tissue culture. In these types of asexual reproduction, first of all we discussed fission. Fission, that means the binary fission of amoeba. That's diagram you see in the first before discussing. Fission is the common method of asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms such as bacteria, yeast, diatoms, mycoplasma, that means PPLO, and protozoans, amoeba, paramecium. It's involved the splitting a parent cell into or more than two separate daughter cells. That means shortly, fission may be defined as splitting of unicellular organism into two or more than daughter cells. Asexual reproduction by means of further divided into two types: binary fission and multiple fission. Briefly, we discussed binary fission. That means you see in the diagram in first position, and the given diagram for this discussing binary fission. This is the division of parent cell divided into two small nearly equal size identical daughter cell. Two daughter cell then grow into adult organism. So fusion of single parent cell result in the formation of two new unicellular organisms. Hence is called binary fission. As like you see unicellular organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, and leishmania. Leishmania, that means you see causing kala jar. In this organism, binary fission occurs. The cell of Leishmania have a whip-like structure of one end of the cell during the binary fission, and nuclear fission is followed by the appearance of constriction of cell membrane. multiple fissions. Multiple fissions, that means parent cell into small several nearly equal size daughter individuals. During the multiple fissions, nucleus of parent cell divide into several times into many daughter cells, that means daughter nuclei. Then the daughter nuclei get arranged along the periphery of parent cell, and finally these types of fission occurs in malarial parasite like Plasmodium, in which about 1000 daughter cells are produced from one parent cell, is capable of into invading RBC, red blood cells. That means you discussed in this chart binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission is result to production of two individuals, and multiple fissions in the result of production of several individuals. Binary fissions, it occurs under favorable conditions, and multiple fissions, it occurs both condition favorable and unfavorable. Binary fission nucleus of the parent cell divide only one from two nuclei. Multiple fission nucleus of parent cell undergo repeated division to form a number of daughter nuclei. Binary fission in cytoplasm divide after nuclear division. Multiple fission cytoplasm does not divide after each nuclear division. Binary fission, there is no part of parent body is left unused. In multiple fission, a part of parent body, that means covering of residual cytoplasm, is left unused. That means you see the diagrams, diagram 3.2 and 3.3, that is the reproduction of binary fissions. That means you see in this diagram, that means cell means single nucleus divided into there are a multiple more than two daughter cells to form a number of daughter cells are produced from one parent. Thank you.